Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to use nearby sharing on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So in order for you to use nearby sharing on Windows, you just have to go to your settings, and then this time you have to look for System, tap this one or double click, and then here you have to look for shared experiences. If you're using Windows 11, then you should see here nearby experiences. So all you have to do is to tap this one right here if you want to share your experiences with your device only or for everyone. So you have your option here. Now, the advantage of this is that nearby sharing lets you send and receive files or links between two Windows computers using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, similar to AirDrop on Apple devices. Okay, so both must be running, or both devices must be running Windows 10 or Windows 11, and both must have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And I hope this video helped you. That's how easy it is to simply use nearby sharing on Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.